Hello, Nigel James, Princess Motor Yacht Sales. Beautiful afternoon here in Mallorca, and I'm on board our stock Princess V40 Martini Princess. This is a 2017 boat, beautiful condition, and some really nice features. We have a hydraulic drop platform here, and quite a large garage that comes up under the cockpit seating, where you could roll up a dinghy maybe and have a charger in there for fast charging and keep the platform open for swimming, or you could lift a small boat on the platform using these chock indicators. Good access to the side decks on both sides. Note the side decks have got teak, as has the cockpit and the forward deck area. We have a cockpit layout here, so no sunbed, but very nice spacious cockpit layout. Come on board and have a look. Okay, so here we are in the cockpit, and you can see the boat is nice and fresh, the paintwork's in good order, the GRP is nice and the linings are perfect. We have added benefit here of not only have we got the sun protection off the back of the hardtop, but this also has sides and a back to make this whole area enclosed. The cover has windows and doors, so early and late season it's quite a useful asset actually. We've got a table here that drops down on hydraulics so that you can make a sunbed in this area also. Then we have our standard galley arrangement. There's a griddle, there's a fridge, there's a refrigerated cool box, a griddle and a sink. It works all very well, and there's good space here, good space. Then as we come further forward, we've got our classic across boat seating here on the port side, and then a double helm with the side window and the instrumentation, which I'll detail to you. The hardtop opens up, and when it's open the boat feels like a completely open fresh sports boat, but when it closes down, it takes a matter of seconds, you get a nicely protected cockpit area under the hardtop. It really works very well, and is why, or one of the many reasons why, this boat has been such a great seller for so long. And here we are at the business end, and it's a really good location, quite a long way forward, so our visibility out onto the water is absolutely excellent. The forward screen here is a single piece of glass, so there's no interruption to the vision coming around to the side. We've got this opening side window here, which is very useful actually, both for ventilation and for functionality. And then we've got things like the Joystick, which is a Volvo product, along with their engines, VHF combination, plotter, GPS, and all the normal instrumentation is here, nicely laid out, very well thought about, and very comfortable. If you wanted to get yourself over to Ibiza, you'd be sitting here for 3 hours, and it would not be a hardship to do that. So one thing just to point out that this boat's a stock boat, we own it, and as such we prepare it and we supply it to the customer fully prepared and ready to go. We call that, for this particular boat, it comes through on our Princess approved system. That means it's been pre-checked, pre-tested. We've corrected everything we have found that needs to be corrected. We've done all the appropriate servicing, whether that's engines and generators. Anything that needs servicing is done, so that when the owner takes delivery, it's turnkey and it's ready to go for that season. On top of that, at that time of handover, we write off on a guarantee. So that should give you lots of confidence that this boat's been properly prepared and is going to deliver as we say it will, and give you a great experience moving forward. Let's take a look inside. So here we are down in the saloon, and what a nice space it is really. We've got a terrific size U-shaped seating here on the port side of the boat with this lovely panoramic view out. One thing that we're also very good at is natural ventilation. Every cabin has a porthole that opens, so you haven't always got to rely on air conditioning, especially when you're out at anchor. It's nicer to be without. This boat features the darker wood, the walnut, and with the right contrast, actually it looks very smart, I think. And there's so much light down here with the deck head light and the long windows that really it carries off the darker wood very well, no problem at all. The wooden floor I like, and the wooden steps are very easy to live with, keeps everything cool, easy to clean. We have a lovely galley behind you, which you can see in the pictures. It offsets from the passageway so that anybody performing there doesn't get in the way and people can come and go as they please. It's well appointed, there's great storage, all the mod cons here, good head height. Yes, really lovely space. Forward we've got the owner's cabin. It's a double V with its own access into the bathroom. To the rear we've got two single bunks that come together to make a double if required. Again, it's well lit, big windows, lots of storage. Both cabins are sharing this bathroom, and while there's only one, it's a big one. There's loads of space, excellent shower. Very nice space indeed. I hope that gives you a bit of a flavour for what Martini Princess is. What she is a V40 of 2017. Nice example, definitely worth consideration if this is the sort of boat for you, and it ought to be, because you know, the Princess V40 has been successful for many reasons, but ultimately it is a well thought out, well laid out boat, and for the boat of the size and the money, it delivers in many ways. Why not visit the website? We've got there the specification, the prices, lots of pictures. And if that still leaves you with questions, then give me a call. I'm available anytime. I'm in the office. I'm Nigel James, and this is Princess Motor Yachts.